Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Vlogmas day number 2. How exciting, how fun. Why are you looking
Do that
at
one
that?
again. I like how it looks.
But you're not in it?
Cut!
You're not in it.
Yes, I'm in it. I just see myself.
Okay, listen. I'll just like cut you out, okay? Wait, on the bye. Aren't we gonna cross the road?
We go cross there, we go cross there. We cross there with one cross.
Okay. I'm just going to blur out your face.
You don't have to blur my face.
Yeah, but you didn't like how you looked. Okay, well, make sure you look
Movie
cute.
magic.
Make sure you look cute. I completely forgot to tell you guys what we're doing today. We're on our way to Intratuin because we are doing some more Christmas decor shopping. We have a lot of things that we still have to buy because we don't have enough stuff, as you guys have seen yesterday. So we're gonna go and shop and hopefully find everything we need today, because today's the last day that we actually get to go shopping like that. So wish us luck. Well, those just look like what you put the plant in, you know? I don't know, because we have a black one now. Oh yeah, true. He named some plants that we bought this morning. It's amethyst and what's the name?
Gardenia.
And gardenia. Maybe very important to note, we figured out our theme. It's probably already revealed in the actual decoration video, but we have a theme now, and we just have to actually find everything and make sure we could actually do the theme. You like this one?
I don't like the price. Still think that the other ones we're looking at is better.
Yeah, this looks very simple. It's more like an outdoorsy.
Not only that.
For the price, yeah, okay. Yeah. Oh, we also decided to add brown to the theme, or the color scheme that we have. We literally decided that this morning. But we have an idea. So that's all about figuring out if we're actually going to get through with the idea, and if we don't, then we have to try it next year. So that's why I'm not saying it right now. So yeah, like I was saying, my boyfriend bought 2 plants this morning when he went to the shop, the grocery store. And now we're looking for pots, and we're going to DIY them to make them look nice. I feel like this color is already very nice though, but we want to try to get it, I think, black. Something black.
Is that ready?
They're cheaper, huh?
Yeah.
Point is, we're doing some home DIYs and renovations and makeovers.
Maybe this one is the same size?
Yeah, 23.
It's 23 there too?
Yeah, 23 by 20.3. Yeah, that's so much better. And this one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You see these? Oh, this one is too expensive though. I was thinking that you could like loss it, you know?
No, loss it, pero this is 329.
Okay, not bad.
Then I said, can you pay?
That's what I meant with loss.
Yeah, but I ain't lost.
True. But you think you could cut through this though? Because it's like a...
I mean, get a pliers and cut it. Or
Okay, yeah, because I don't want it to be like too much of the red, but just like here and there, like, you know, you see how that is?
Yeah.
Where you have like a couple of pieces of red, like that we're going to do it.
Okay.
Because we're still trying to save this month, but still have a very extravagant extravagant Christmas. How adorable. When are we doing the reindeer theme? We could maybe add some reindeers. See that?
You see the price for that reindeer?
Not this one.
No, but you see the price, right?
No. How much it costs? Oh, damn. Remember I told you I would want to just have wood like under the tree or in a kashi somewhere as decor?
Yeah, this one you have to take. That is 10 euros, but it's too big. It's too big.
Oh, okay.
What I would suggest is to get these here.
Okay.
I don't like the color of how they look. So you get a varnish.
Yeah.
And you varnish them the color.
Okay, so now we have 2 garlands. We have a garland in the bedroom space and then a garland for the kitchen. So look, this is the color that we're going for. This green, this red now, this blue, which is what we already have home, and then this brown a little bit, not too much of it though. So it could be like really subtle and not too much. The place is looking gorgeous already. They always have a lot of good options here. Well, at least the last couple of times that we shopped here for Christmas. The prices are also very nice, so bites away. What are we doing as a tree topper? We haven't thought of that. I don't know. I prefer a big one, I think. So for the gifts and stuff like that, I really want to do ribbon. So I think I'm gonna get this color, and I need to find a kind of like a blue one still. I just found this ribbon. This is more like a see-through something. You like it?
No.
Oh, I don't like them neither. Put it big.
The beetle.
You like it? How much does it cost?
They didn't even have the price on it. I'm scared to see the price. If this thing is like €3, we get it.
It's so beautiful. That has to be.
$3.50.
Oh, $3.50. That's not bad. Okay, but we said we wouldn't do too much brown, remember? Do we only get one?
We'll do like 2.
Okay. I'd rather have the big one, right? And some ornaments, or not ornaments, some like really nice balls, right? Then have the small ones.
Okay.
So they have 2 sizes of this one. Oh, that's not bad. Just for 2 is a little bad though. I suggest we get this one. Oh no, now I don't know.
You want it?
I don't want it that bad. I know I said, oh,
I
that's
like
not
the
bad,
color.
but then I thought about it and no. Okay, so, Bisami,
I like both.
both sizes. What's the difference in price? You put it in the back?
Yep. What do you think this is?
I should have known. Those are the ones we have already in the other colors.
Yeah.
Okay. Pero são ainda bom.
What?
But no gusta são aí, you just have in your hand? Yeah, that one?
Both nice.
Yeah, but that one's a little bigger, so then we have 2 different sizes.
Or you want to buy both?
Yeah. Do you think we have enough green then? I don't think so. I definitely think we might have enough blue, so we don't need to buy any blue. Oh, it's coming together.
You remember is about the price increase for that whole thing.
Yeah. And then we could use the other brown, like the other brown balls. We could put it in the smaller Christmas tree.
I'll put it back.
Okay, you put it back, I'll take the next one. Okay, we just had a little family meeting. We decided on taking this instead. You have different sizes in here. They have some glitter ones, and it's going to be almost the same price. That way we have more options instead of the very big fancy ones. Okay, so this is what we're doing. I feel like we might have a little too much brown, so the idea might change, and it might actually just turn into the color scheme green, brown, and blue. But I think that's okay. I think it'll look good together. And then we just have like some of these in between. I think it'll all look nice. We are now trying to find some stuff for the house. Look, they have some green stuff here. There's some green things. Yeah, because we don't really have decor, but we have stuff for the house. What about this? No, we have stuff for the tree. We don't have decor for the house. That's what it is. You don't like it? Because then we could put this next to the blue one that we bought last year. Remember? It could go next to it. It's a little smaller.
Okay.
I'm freaking out a little. Just a little bit. I feel like we don't have enough things for us to decorate with. I think I'm gonna get it still. I kind of like it. I'm gonna get it. We still need branches. We don't have branches. And we need a ribbon for the tree because I kind of want to do like a plaid kind of ribbon. I don't know if we're going to be able to find one. I just know that I don't want to use like the shiny plasticky one that we always get. So I'm doubting a little about how like doable my vision is. Hopefully we could get some. Oh, look how cute this is. Wish it wasn't so expensive. I think we might have to DIY a lot of stuff because I really can't find everything that I want. Got it. I found it. I found it. This is what I want. I mean, it's kind of more black than blue. I kind of wanted blue. But I feel like this kind of still looks the same. And we still need a blue one. I want a blue. Okay, we have everything now. We even have 3 boxes that we could use to pack some of our gifts. I'll show you guys later what I got. We're gonna go home, drop this off, and then we're gonna go to Action to make sure that we could actually get some more things that we need. So in Action, we need to get, what's the thing called? A palo? I forgot the name. I literally just had it. A palo? Sticks, not sticks, they're not branches. We need branches. And I really want to get some more green decor because I feel like we don't have enough green decor. I don't even know if you can hear me right now. But we need more green decor, especially for the bathroom. And hopefully we can find stuff because I don't know where else we could go to go shopping for Christmas decorations. So yeah. Okay, so we need
2 cans of black spray paint.
2 cans of black spray paint.
Tape, and if you could find like paper, like a carton, not carton but newspaper, and if you could find that, so I could cover the glass when I'm going to spray it.
Yeah, but we could also get tape for that.
Yeah, but I'm going to need to put the...
Yeah, okay, I understand what you mean, but so tape for sprays.
I want to see if we could get a wooden thing that we wanted to put the snow in.
Okay, yeah. We need something to hang up the picture frames. We're trying to do like a serious full-on makeover in this house, so we need to figure out what exactly we need from Action so that we could get it done in the next vlog, because I want this thing done like ASAP. I even want it done tomorrow if we can. This was our first Christmas card picture. So cute. I can't believe we had this out all year. We should have printed the second one. Oh, that would be so cute to do. I was thinking, because this is the first Christmas picture we took, right? We could put the second one and the third one in the frame.
Okay.
Oh yeah, but we can't put 3 up there and all. Not if we want to keep the mirror there.
And we're going to have to stay.
Yeah, because we have nowhere else to put a mirror. I was thinking, can we not get bags for the shoes? You know those shoe bags? Dat is like een tikkie doorzichtig. Because then it's easier to put those shoes that we have up there in boxes, put them in there, and then figure out something for those shoes. This is our first DIY project. We just came home from Action and we got some stuff. I was running, so I completely forgot to vlog because the store was closing. So DIY project number 1 is happening today. I think it looks good. And then this is how the pots look. Look very nice. Now we just have to continue to clean up the house. Yay! Okay, so it's now like 11 o'clock. I'm exhausted. But because I promised yesterday that I would show you guys everything that I bought yesterday, and I feel like that's only appropriate, or it's only appropriate for me to show you guys everything I got today as well. I'm going to do that right now. We cleaned up the entire house, we made food, and my boyfriend is actually making some cinnamon rolls. I wish I vlogged it, but everything was just way too hectic, and with the cleaning and everything and just organizing the house. We finished up on spraying the mirror and the pots. Oh, you guys actually already saw that, and it looks very, very nice. So you guys will just see that in a future vlog. I'll probably show it like tomorrow or something like that. But let's really quickly do this. I'm gonna try not to talk too much because I need the video to not be more than 30 minutes. And I already vlogged a lot today, so we're gonna very quickly go through it. Let's start with the things that we got today at Inventory. So we have these very cute Christmas balls. These are in like the emerald green color. That is our theme. So we got these, and then we got these bigger ones, same color, and these are 3.1 inches. And then we got this one as well, same color, and this one is in 2.4 inches. So we have a little bit of variety in size, you know. Then we got We're gonna use this in a tree. We're just going to actually cut this up a little and try to spread it all over the tree. So hopefully that'll work. Then we have a garland. This is the garland we are going to use in the kitchen. Last year I really wanted a garland in the kitchen and we didn't actually manage to do it. But this year I'm like not holding back. I'm gonna try to get everything I want to get. We got these balls as well. They have like different sizes. I'm not sure what sizes they have, but there's actually 30 pieces in here, which is very handy because we have 3 Christmas trees this year. So they all need to get decorated. Then I got this little Christmas tree. I thought this was cute. We got this rope, not rope, what's it called, ribbon, 2.7 meters, 8.9 feet. So I feel like this is gonna be very nice to put in the tree. I'm excited about it. I feel like it's gonna look nice. We got this ribbon, a satin ribbon in a green color, and then we also got this one. This is kind of like a see-through one. It's just dark green and it is actually 5 meters, so this is a lot more, which is perfect. I feel like that's gonna work out. Mini Christmas trees. I have no idea yet where exactly we're putting everything. I really want to try and put one in the bathroom, and then we're also going to put, did you already take the thing out, the lasagna?
No, not yet.
What's that then?
This is the bread.
Oh, okay. So yeah, one in the bathroom and then one somewhere in the living space. No idea where whatsoever. We got this little pot. Oh, the Christmas tree. That's what we were gonna do. We were gonna do something like this. Something like this. Make sure it stays, you know? And then we have these like little LED string lights. Let me show you guys what we got in action. So we got this for the bathroom. You know, we need a new one, so we're gonna set this up. I don't know when, but we're setting it up soon. A coffee spice grinder. That's yours. We got 2 pillowcases. These are some luxury satin pillowcases from Action. They look very nice. I like the pattern on it. It's not too, you know, like all over the place, but they look nice, so I wanted to get some. We also got a brand new mat for the floor in the bathroom. We got a candle. This candle is a new scent, Sensual Sandalwood and Jasmine by Glade. And it smells very good. Oh, like a face, or not a face wash, a mouthwash. And that's all we got. That's it for the little haul. Hopefully it was fast enough. I'm tired, I'm exhausted. ¿Cuánto falta para comida acaba?
The lasagna done already. It's cooling down.
Oh, you already take the lasagna out?
Yeah, put the bread in.
Okay.
And I'll put in the bread in a couple.
I think I want to shower before.
You can take a shower now.
If I shower and then eat, I'm gonna crash. And I kind of want to, like, not crash too. I mean, it's not early. It's a good time to go to sleep now, but I really want a cinnamon roll before I go to sleep. No, next time we shouldn't make it so late anymore. Anyways, you guys, I'm gonna end the vlog because I'm tired and I don't want to think about still having to end the vlog. Hopefully we'll do some decorating tomorrow. Hopefully. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell down below to get notified every time I upload a brand new video. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 3. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, you scared me, man.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everything.